प्रणाम सभी को. वेलकम टू एम्पावर्ड वुमेन क्लब क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन. A new era has begun. The era of suffering, the era of fear, the era of confusion is already over, and we need to migrate towards a new lifestyle which is called digital living. And now Conjugal civilization is already on its advent. Conjugal civilization, well wisher to the human race. Empowered Women Club invites all women to come learn, join this club, and make themselves an empowered being and a healthy and happy person with a clear vision towards life, towards family, towards career. All this seems quite unimaginable without the technologies, without the systems given by Professor Ashwini Agarwal and his team. So let's welcome today on Bhogwan TV Professor Ashwini Agarwal. Pranam Ashwini ji.
Pranam.
Ashwini ji, empowered women. This itself seems a very different kind of combination, because yes, we have been talking about women empowerment globally, but what exactly an empowered woman is was not yet defined. In our last question and answer session, you cleared the confusion about an empowered woman, and you clearly told us an empowered woman is the one who is able to utilize her functional organs, who is able to maintain herself, her sense organs, her functional organs, whatever she has, she is able to maintain that, and she is able to create a happy family. That is what an empowered woman is. So Ashwini ji, question comes from the educated females, from the uneducated females, that where exactly we went wrong. We did whatever was told to us. We went to schools, colleges, we built a career for ourselves, we created a family, but today happiness is completely missing from a woman's life. What do you think the main reason behind it is?
The first thing is that women didn't know that they lost the track of career. They were never bothered about career. I don't know what happened, that somehow or the other, where confusion cropped in. Earlier we used to have females like Rani ki Jhansi, Jhansi ki Rani, or Lakshmi Bai, or Durgavati, or so many of them. They had very clear vision of being career oriented. And although we had so many examples available, why a female could not understand that career is the most important era of their, most important phase of their life, where this parameter, where this statement went missing, that she is not bothered about her career. She has lost the total information about career. She doesn't know what career is. Career is the key for any success, anything. You need career first. And unfortunately, in English, career has two meanings. Career are two words are career. And female was pushed to understand the wrong part of it, I would say. That she is a carrier of next generation. And the career part, which was most important, got lost somewhere.
I completely agree with you here that yes, women need to focus upon their career a lot. Yes, it is absolutely important. But on the same time, I find that those who have focused on their careers, those who have got good opportunities, and they have really worked well in industries, still I find that they are also somewhere finding themselves in a lost situation. Why this is so?
So the problem is that the meaning of career is lost. They don't know what career is. The career word, the moment you start talking about career or carrier. They same. And they were pushed to have importance of carrier, yani carry the baby, rather than the carrier, which is important for professional life. Professional life and career are two different things. And you got stuck with career means job. Career doesn't mean job at all. Where this question came that career is a job, and career means you are carrying a baby and that is your job. So surrogacy started for getting promoted. Imagine that career के नाम पर क्या क्या हुआ फीमेल के साथ.
Yeah, surrogate mothers is also a good career option these days.
That's what. So I'm surprised that they have reached to the level that carrying a baby is a career. I'm surprised.
So what exactly a career is to you?
That's what. Career is a professional life. Career doesn't mean earning money. Career means professional life. Professional means what? Now you have to understand the meaning of professional. If you are talking about career, then lifting the bricks, anything is a career. But when we talk of profession, then you cannot say that anything is a profession. No. Profession is something else. Career is something else. Try to distinguish between these two words.
What I understand is, okay, whatever, doing any work available cannot be your career. You have to be professional. Suppose there is a doctor or suppose there is an artist. So she is professional when she is designing something, when she is creating something. So do you think that, yes, if a woman is a doctor and she is doing well in her clinic or she is doing good with her patients, then do you think that, yes, she has a good career?
No, how can it be?
But she is professional.
That's what. So she is not even professional. That is the problem. That expected from her is that she should carry a baby. I mean, I'm surprised that people do not understand the difference between profession and career. Even if you are calling a doctor a professional, but she is supposed to carry a baby.
Not necessarily.
Well, it is necessary. She is supposed to get married. If she doesn't get married, she is lost. She has lost her life.
Suppose a woman decides that, okay, I don't want to get married. There are many young women who are already on that path.
Why they have gone into that? Now you have to understand why they chose that path. Because they were told that carrying a baby is a profession. Surrogacy has become a profession. Imagine that where we are landing to, where we are going. In the process of career, we have made profession also as a surrogacy also as a profession. So everything is a profession. I am surprised that difference between career and understanding the difference between career and profession, that though they never tried, and they made profession also as career. Or every career has become profession. Where the meaning of career and the meaning of career and the meaning of profession, there are three distinct words.
Can you give a clear-cut definition of these three words? Okay, I understand what a career is, carrying something. Like there is a career.
Surrogacy is a career. Okay. I mean, is it a career or is it a career? Career. You just try to define that.
So what is a profession to you?
That's what. So we have to understand three words. Always तीन का खेल जीवन में ना आए अनमेल. Three is very important. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Here you have to understand these three words first. That Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Brahma means physical body. Vishnu means mental body. And Mahesh means energy to make this body move.
Sorry, I couldn't get what exactly a profession is. Where is this profession here?
The profession cannot be done unless all these three are available in perfect condition.
You can't be successful in your career.
It's not the question of success. There is nothing but success. Success किसको कहते हो? रोटी अगर खा के तुम हजम नहीं कर पाए तो वो सक्सेस है क्या? You tell me that, do you call that a success that you have 10 lakh rupees in your pocket and you are eating food and you are not able to digest it? Is that a success? Success is that you have money or no money, immaterial. But whatever you eat, you are able to digest it. You are able to create zero waste. That is profession. Profession is that you are able to create zero waste, at least zero rejection, if not zero waste. Do you have anybody, give me one example who has zero rejection in their life? So none is professional. Today, in the today's world, there is none who is professional. Forget the career part and career part. Profession, none exists. Professional means that person who is having zero rejection is the professional person. So you now start talking about relativity. अरे वो इतना सक्सेसफुल है, वो इतना, अरे सक्सेस हैज नो कनेक्शन विद प्रोफेशन. Professional is professional. Success is nowhere there. There is no word called success is introduced because we are failure. Professional is failure free living. और अगर तुम्हारा डाइजेशन ठीक नहीं है तो फेलियर फ्री लिविंग इज नॉट पॉसिबल. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्लीप इन द नाइट देन यू आर वेस्ट, योर लाइफ इज वेस्ट. You cannot be professional. So everybody is doing career and career. I mean, profession पे तो कोई है ही नहीं, क्योंकि profession word itself is not defined. So we pulled the profession to career. कि career अगर successful है, मतलब successful का मतलब डाइजेशन से रिलेटेड नहीं है. सक्सेसफुल का मतलब है मैंने 10 लाख रुपए कमाए और मेरे से 10 लाख रुपए कोई छीन कर ले गया, लूट कर ले गया. मैं क्या करूं यार, मेरे तो लूट गया. क्योंकि तुमने वो पैसा लूटा था, इसीलिए तुम्हारे से कोई लूट कर ले गया. तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारे से कोई, अगर तुम्हारे कमाई, इफ योर इनकम इज अच्छी इनकम जिसको कहा जाता है, तो कोई लूट नहीं सकता उसको. दैट इनकम विल बी सो पावरफुल that no one dare even look at it. That is called professionalism. Ji.
Today we have got a system for health, for education, for upliftment of women.
What is uplift? What do you mean by uplift? Again, I'm surprised to hear this word, upliftment. What is upliftment? कि एक लिफ्ट में बिठा दो और उसको ऊपर ले जाओ. Why these words have cropped in? यार, I'm surprised that where these words exist in life.
Upliftment means earlier women were facing very difficult situations.
No, never. Female. How can a female face difficult situation? It is not possible. A female is so powerful an entity, she is 9 times stronger than male. तो वुमेन को अपलिफ्टमेंट करेगा. अब आप एक बात बताओ मेरे को कि 10 किलो का आदमी 100 किलो की वुमेन उसको उठा सकता है क्या, वजन को? 9 टाइम्स स्ट्रॉन्गर. तो एक किलो का जो स्ट्रेंथ है, जिसके अंदर 1 kg स्ट्रेंथ है, वो 10 kg स्ट्रेंथ को उठा सकता है क्या? पर यहां पर लोग ले जाए स्ट्रेंथ को वेट के ऊपर ले जाएंगे कि वेट तो आप फीमेल को कह रहे हो कि वो मोटी बहुत है. आई एम सरप्राइज वेयर वी आर गेटिंग अपलिफ्टमेंट. दी सो मच ऑफ कंफ्यूजन स्प्रेडेड दैट शी हैज लॉस्ट. रानी की, नो वन टॉक्स अबाउट रानी की, झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, दुर्गावती नाम ही नहीं सुना किसी ने, अहिल्याबाई नाम ही नहीं सुना किसी ने. वो रेफरेंसेस ही गायब है मार्केट से. Sita ji, Parvati, they delivered child like Ganesh and Kartikeya. A female is a female. How come they could deliver it? The simple reason is that we have got ourselves into mess. We didn't bother about ourselves. We started bothering about others. अरे अगर मैं बीमार हूं तो दूसरे की हेल्प कैसे करूंगा? आपको पता है, एक बहुत सिंपल सा यहां पे मैं एग्जांपल दूंगा. आप जब भी एयरक्राफ्ट में बैठते हो, चाहे 50 बार बैठे हो, 100 बार बैठे हो, 1000 बार बैठे हो, 10,000 बार बैठे हो, every time the moment it starts taxiing, moment it starts moving, air hostess comes, 3 of them, not 1, not 2, and they demonstrate and say that in the event of emergency and you have a small kid with you, first you have to put mask on yourself and then the baby. अगर तुम बेबी के मास्क लगाने में लग गए तो तुम दोनों मर जाओगे. और यही हो रहा है कि हम बेबी को संभालने के चक्कर में अपना तो मैंने कर ही दिया सत्यानाश, बेबी का भी सत्यानाश कर दिया और फैमिली का भी कर दिया. We lost total our strength. We never bothered to first improve my health, my body, my 3 parameters: career, and energy. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh.
Can you please explain the relevance of these 3 words or names, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh?
Simple. Brahma represents your body, physical body, whatever is looking for, what you are looked at. If you see in the mirror, physical body of the human being is Brahma. And mental body जो के इस शरीर को पालती है, विष्णु. और महेश is the energy which is used to perform. That's so simple. Such a simple explanation. Sanatan Prakriya has given so simple, so relevant, so precise definitions. So precise. You can imagine कि आगे बॉडी में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कुछ नहीं परफॉर्म कर पाओगे क्या? नहीं परफॉर्म कर सकते. अगर आपका मेंटल उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप परफॉर्म कर पाओगे क्या? आपके दोनों ठीक है और आपका एनर्जी लेवल बहुत लो है तो आप परफॉर्म कर पाओगे क्या?
Suppose here one question arises that if my physical body and if I'm mentally fit and I'm physically fit, then obviously I'll be feeling energetic.
How? There's no connection.
There is.
How? Tell me.
If you are physically okay, you have no physical problem, and you are mentally feeling good, then obviously you will be feeling energetic.
How? Where the you are thinking that the sun will give you energy?
No.
Where will you get the energy from?
We are naturally energetic. Every child is naturally energetic.
I'm surprised. This is the situation which we have fallen into. This is the situation we have fallen into. कि हम मान के चलते हैं कि वी आर एनर्जेटिक और जब काम करने का मौका आता है तो कहते हैं वी आर नॉट एबल टू. That is the problem. These 3 words are distinct. All the 3 are needed to perform. And nothing is obvious. Your decision making can be good, your physical body may not be good. Your physical body is good, your decision making itself is a trouble. Even if your decision making is good, अरे मैं physically fit हूं और मेरा जो वो है क्या कहते हैं mentally I can decide that yes I can lift that stone, और जब मैं जाता हूं उसको उठाने के लिए तो I am not able to lift. क्यों? जिम चले जाओ आपको दिखाई दे जाएगा. Physically the person is fit, mentally he is fit, that is why he is able to reach gym. बट वहां पर जाकर जब वेट उठाना होता है तो कहता है भाई 4 किलो उठाऊंगा, 5 किलो नहीं उठा सकता। और अगर वो 6 किलो उठा लेता है तो उसकी कमर में झटका आ जाता है। दैट्स व्हाट इट इज। आवर डिसीजन मेकिंग इज सो पुअर। Mentally we are fit, but decision making is poor. Because decision making is connected with energy. I am not able to estimate my energy, so I took a wrong decision. That is what the problem is. Why we are not able to perform? 90% of the people are fit physically. They have all the organs, and all the organs are functioning. But digestion नहीं होता है। अरे भैया जब तुम्हारा सारा चीज ठीक है तो डाइजेशन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? पालने वाले तो तुम्हें मेंटली तुम्हें कह दिया ये खा ले, तुमने खा लिया, अब पेट तुम्हारा डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा, क्यों? दैट इज बिकॉज दैट डाइजेशन इज कनेक्टेड विद एनर्जी, एंड दैट एनर्जी यू आर नॉट एबल टू सप्लाई। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि डाइजेशन इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विद योर एनर्जी लेवल। If you have a problem in digestion, that means your energy level is very very low. तो जो डाइजेशन ही नहीं हो रहा है उसके लिए आपको जिम जाना पड़ रहा है और 36 एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ रही है, और फिर भी आपका डाइजेशन इंप्रूव नहीं हो पा रहा है। जी।
See, yes, there are a lot of problems in our digestion at our energy level. Okay, I agree. But coming back to our basic question, how exactly an empowered woman can, or a woman can become an empowered woman? How this transformation can happen for a woman, be it an educated woman, be it from urban sector or rural sector, or from India or from US or from Europe? I mean, do you have a solution on the platter?
Yes. First thing, forget the qualification part. Female is a female, male is a male. That's it. First thing that forget all other aspects. Female is female, male is male. We are not talking about even gender. इंसान जब है तो है, वो कहीं पर भी हो दुनिया के किसी कोने में, वो मेल मेल ही रहेगा, फीमेल फीमेल ही रहेगी। तो इसलिए डोंट ऐड क्वालिफायर्स टू दैट। Each female can become empowered and each male can become male. अब ये मत कहना कि मेल कैन बिकम मेल। मेल्स के साथ तो बेचारे के साथ बहुत प्रॉब्लम है। मेल को सबसे बड़ी ऑब्जेक्शन ये है कि फीमेल को इतनी स्ट्रेंथ क्यों दी। मेल इस बात को समझता है कि फीमेल इज वेरी स्ट्रांग। दैट इज वाई इन एवरी होम, स्पेशली इन हिंदूज होम आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, बाकी घरों का मेरे को ज्यादा आइडिया नहीं है, बट हिंदुओं के घरों में मैंने देखा है हर मेल को पता है कि उसकी फीमेल, उसके घर में जितनी फीमेल है सारी की सारी बहुत ज्यादा पावरफुल है। दे आर वेरी स्ट्रांग। वो घर जाने से डरता है। पता है आपको कि हिंदू मेल जो है घर जाने से डरता है। वो देवी मानता है फीमेल्स को, और फीमेल उन्होंने अपना सत्यानाश कर लिया, सत्यानाश कर लिया, टोटल सत्यानाश कर लिया, अपने आप को मिसगाइड कर दिया, अपने आप को मेल के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट बना दिया। नो रीजन, आई डोंट फाइंड एनी रीजन, नो रीजन एट ऑल, एब्सोल्युटली नो रीजन। दैट इज वाई दिस the flag of creating empowered women club, women empowerment, everybody is talking about upliftment, flana dhikana, but no one talks of empowered women. No one wants. Or the worst part is that even female doesn't want empowered women. But जब वो घर में बहू लेकर आती है तो उसको एम्पावर्ड चाहिए, जो घर का काम भी करे, जॉब भी करे, और बच्चे भी संभाले और मेरे को भी संभाले। Each home needs leader woman. Not management, leader woman. Each home requires leader, and empowered woman will become a leader once she joins the club. That is the key. That empowered woman may exist today, but what is the fun if they are empowered women and they are not able to contribute anything other than making money and telling them to make money? प्रोफेशनल बनना है. प्रोफेशनल का मतलब होता है लीडर, नॉट मैनेजर. So empowered women club is made to cultivate leadership seed present in the females.
This will be my last question, Ashwini ji, because we are already we are completing our half an hour.
जी.
What magic are you creating to transform a woman into an empowered woman? What exactly you are doing? Okay, I understand that at least a female understands that she is a woman, she is a female, she is born a girl. Okay, I understand this one basic thing. But apart from that, just accepting the basic fact that I am a born woman, I am a born girl, what other things I need to do or any other female needs to do that she becomes empowered? Or are you creating some kind of magic, some kind of brand you have?
Yeah, I am doing a जादूगर. मेरे को जादूगर कहते हैं. I'm a known technology जादूगर. Railways we did something, so entire railway started calling, अरे जादूगर आ गया, जादूगर आ गया. So I am a technology जादूगर, टेक्नोलॉजी मैजिशियन. तो विमेन, अगर विमेन एम्पावर्ड वुमेन को लीडर बनना है, एम्पावर्ड वुमेन को लीडर बनाना है मेरे को, माई सोल एम इज टू क्रिएट लीडर्स इन ईच होम. एवरी फीमेल शुड बी ए लीडर. तो उनका पहला बेसिक टारगेट होगा कि दे विल डिलीवर डिवाइन चाइल्ड. That is their objective. Objective of the life of the professional female will be to deliver a divine child.
And what if she does not want to get married at all? She does not want to be a mother.
Marriage, what is marriage? Divine child delivery. She has to put an aim. Objective उसका ये होना चाहिए कि she will be delivering divine child. अपना deliver करे या दूसरे को create करे, that is, I am not saying that. कि डिवाइन चाइल्ड बनाने हैं. बच्चा जो पैदा होता है तो उसको डिवाइन होना चाहिए. ही हैज टू बी, जो फीमेल प्रेग्नेंट हुई है तो वो डिलीवर करेगी तो डिवाइन चाइल्ड डिलीवर करे, चाहे वो खुद करे चाहे वो सामने वाले को करवाए.
मींस शी शुड हेल्प, आइदर शी शुड
नहीं. द ओनली ऑब्जेक्टिव टू ईच कन्या, टीनेज गर्ल, आई एम टेलिंग टुडे, शी विल नॉट डिलीवर ए चाइल्ड बिफोर द एज ऑफ 45 and she will deliver a divine child. These are the two objectives she should keep. ये है ब्रह्मा विष्णु.
Sorry, I couldn't get this at all, because she will not deliver a child before she is 45. I'm sorry to say, being a gynae naturopath, around 45 years of age, normally a woman's fertility is at its lowest level.
That's the problem. That you have reached that level because you opted for it. The problem is that how can it be possible जब naturally नहीं है. तो एक there is an example available, real life example available, हुंजा वैली, somewhere near खैबर पख्तूनवा और somewhere. एक योगी जी है हमारी जानकारी में, अब वो मेरे को गुरुजी मानते हैं, पता नहीं कैसे मानते हैं, बट उन्होंने कहा वो वहां पर रहकर आए हैं 3 years. At the age of 75 females are delivering child.
Yeah, I've heard.
So that means that is possible. You can search on internet. No, Google is there to help you out in these things. I am saying only 45. They are delivering at the age of 80. So don't tell me that. I will tell you that you have made yourself into mess rather than nature has made you into mess. You were not able to make yourself. You forgot that there is something called I am a female, means I can do anything. She is the one who has been given those capabilities that she can deliver next generation. She is the only one who can deliver next generation. और अगर वो डिवाइन चाइल्ड डिलीवर करेगी तो उसकी जिंदगी तो स्वर्ग हो गई. वो स्वर्गवासी नहीं हुई है. स्वर्ग होने का मतलब स्वर्गवासी होना नहीं होता है. इमेजिन अगर एक लड़की डिवाइन चाइल्ड डिलीवर करती है एट द एज ऑफ 48, तो उसकी जिंदगी स्वर्ग हुई क्या नहीं हुई?
I have never seen such an example.
सीन आप हुंजा वैली विजिट हुंजा वैली सिंपल.
Yeah, that is in Pakistan right now.
Who cares? Visa, you take visa and go. You don't need to go. You can check on internet. No, internet can take you anywhere, wherever you want to go. So ask Google Baba. Why that Google Baba exists? It is there to guide you. पर प्रॉब्लम यह है कि तुम यही नहीं पता गाइडेंस किससे लेनी है. एक मेल से गाइडेंस लेते हो जिसको अकल नहीं है 2 पैसे की भी तुम्हारे कंपैरिजन में. It is possible, it is happening. So the time has come that now, and those female are also not empowered. Let me tell you that frankly. The female who is delivering child at the age of 80 is not empowered. Empowered woman is who can lead. They are not leaders. They are not leading anyone. They are not leading even their home. They are not able to. So empowered women to become leaders. The female who wants to become leader is invited in Empowered Women Club.
This is a beautiful concept given by you and your team. I congratulate the whole concept, the whole idea of an empowered woman, and this is surely giving us a light that a new era has already begun. So Ashwini ji, thank you so very much for your insights on empowered women. We'll be definitely coming up with a few new questions from our viewers and a few new topics we'll be discussing with you regarding especially women's condition in society, women's health, women's so-called insecurities. We'll be taking up these many things, and thank you so much for your time and for your guidance.
Ji.
Pranam.
Pranam.